Hey friends, hi, good evening. It's Thursday. No, it's Friday, right? So it's Friday again, and here we are with the free internship in data science and data analytics by 360DigiTMG. So let me start this session by congratulating you. Congratulating you for what? For choosing to upskill your career in the field of data analytics and data science. Well, we all know upskilling is not that easy. People give up when they try to upskill. But you have chosen to upskill yourself. And that's the reason you deserve congratulations. Now, what is this internship all about? This internship basically is a free internship, and that's 360 DTMG's contribution to the data community. Now, what are you going to get, or what will you get from this particular internship? When we talk about real life and when we talk about theoretical part, there's a lot of difference between theory and real life. Now, in this in this particular project and such live projects, what will you do is you'll learn what happens in practical life and what happens in real life, and thus you will bridge the gap between the practical life and the theoreticals. Now, what do we have here in this particular project? As a part of this particular project, again, there will be two phases as a part of internship. First is learning phase, where you will be getting videos, three videos every single day related to one related to Python, one related to SQL, and one related to data preliminaries. Now, what how will you actually access all these things? All these things you will get in LMS. How to get access to the LMS? Well, you are already part of a community. Now you will be getting a Google form in that community. What you need to do is to fill that Google form. Once you fill that Google form, of course, till Sunday 5 p.m. max, right? Once you fill that Google form, our backend team will contact you and will give you LMS access. Once you get LMS access, now let me show you what LMS looks like. Let me just go there. Okay, till the time where it's opening, yes, this is what LMS looks like. This is what learning management system looks like. Now, once you are here in the learning management system in project section, you will be getting what projects are available, right? And of course, you will be getting videos every single day in here. And you click on assessment link. Now, what happens when you click on assessment link? Once you click on assessment link, you'll go to our page directly, LinkedIn page directly. And there you'll find questions, learning assessments, CRISP MLQ, for example, CRISP MLQ, SQL, Tame the Python, right? All these things, you will get it there. Now, these are subjective questions and you have to write answers in here in comment section basically. And this is theoretical. This means you have to type those answers. When you type something, you actually make sure that you are making an impact. Now, why we asked to write something or why we asked to type something? And on LinkedIn, basically, when we talk about LinkedIn, LinkedIn is really, really famous for people being really, really active and recruiters actively searching for their future employees. Right now, when you are typing something, you are actually increasing your impact, you are increasing your visibility. So they will be again in a position to search you faster. And yes, that will be a win-win for you as well as the recruiter too. Now, once this part is done, once you complete all these part, let me just come back. We'll continue with this learning phase, right? This is part of learning phase. Once learning phase is done, again, we'll move to project phase. In project phase, we shall assign an expert data scientist who has rich experience of working on real world projects, and they will guide you throughout the project. There will be daily stand-up meetings for 15 minutes, Monday to Friday, to discuss what is done, what must be done for next day, and any risk or challenges that you have. We shall be discussing about this phase when we reach this phase. Upon completing the project successfully, you will be awarded an internship project completion certificate from 360DigiTMG. This is how the certificate looks like. You'll have name, surname, project name, all those things. This is a free program and certificate is also free. We do not charge anything before, during, or after the internship. This program will start from Monday, that is 23rd, 12, 2024. Make sure that you enroll for this program team. Now, you might be having some questions. This is basically frequently asked question for internship program. Completion of learning phase. Participant must complete all learning modules before moving to the next task. Please reach out for support if needed to interns1@360dmg.com. Data science internship we talk about. Currently only data analytics internships are available. LMS credential issuance. LMS credentials may take up to 24 working hours to be issued. Patience is appreciated during this process. Internship continuation in case of emergency. If you are unable to complete the internship due to work commitments or personal emergencies, please email us at interns1@360dmg.com. Include any relevant documentation or proof you will be assigned an upcoming internship. Internship certificate policy. Internship certificates will be issued only upon the successful completion of all required documents. Failure to meet project submission deadline will result in ineligibility for a certificate, and delays in project submissions are not permitted. If a deadline is missed, interns will need to join the next project batch and complete it within the specified deadline to qualify for the certificate. Now, you can contact us on this number, mail us at inquiry@360dmg.com, and visit the website 360dmg.com. We have 3 offline centers. In fact, we have many offline centers. Out of this, we have Hyderabad, Bangalore, and Chennai. This is our main office. And we have offline centers at Bhilai, Pune, Odisha, West Bengal, Thane, right? All these locations. So again, accreditation to international bodies, we are accredited to HRD Corp, MDEC, Microsoft, RapidMiner, State University of New York, Panasonic, NASCOM, Future Skills Prime, right? So while we are watching this, now you must be thinking, okay, we talked about all these things. Is there any way that we can help you in preparing for this particular project? Now, let me take you to our website. This is our website, 360DTMG is our website. And here, of course, you can actually come and explore our websites, our alumni network, our corporate connections, awards and accolades, industry consulting vertical, all these things here. Now, let me take you to the learning resources. This page is something that will interest you a lot. You can come here and see, of course, upcoming sessions. We have core learning resources. For example, you can go to digital learning library here. You can actually come and actually go through these library completely. Next is AI Design Studio for ML. Again, AI Design Studio for ML completely. You can use this architecture flow completely from one end to another end, be it for beginner, be it for intermediate, be it for advanced, anyone you like, right? You can do that. Now, in the very same time, once we are done with this, of course, think of it. If you need all these things, if you actually use all these things to make your project architecture, won't that be really, really useful? Or won't that be really good if your recruiter knows that you know such type of detailed architecture, you know how to make such type of detailed architecture? Won't that be good? That will be good, right? Now, for career advancement and professional growth, we have a resume optimization hub. You can go there and actually see how to actually upload your resume and all. We have Talent Connection portal where we are coming up with new job roles. We have strategic learning maps where you can visualize the learning path. Of course, we have learning maps for all our different modules. Like this, you can just come here and witness the learning path and the mind maps, basically we call it. And of course, we have it for different topics. For example, Python, if you see, let's go to loops and it opens like this, right? So we have learning resources. We have innovative project showcase where you can actually see what are the type of project we are doing here, right? And Of course, all the project you can read about business problem, objective, constraints, all these things. Animated Insight series you can go for. This is the Animated Insight series. You can actually come here and read all these things from here. A GIF or video, you can actually go for that. Let's take you to our YouTube channel. Here we have, for example, a lot of courses. We have industry connect videos. Basically, again, it's really, really good. And if you see, these are people who can actually tell you how to contribute to the data science world and how can you be there in their place too. Upcoming live stream placement success story. If we talk about, again, we talk about all the placement success story, where our students got placed. We have international research article publication and all those things. When you go to playlist part, you can see we have videos on plethora of topics: resume building, project explanation, generative AI and prompt engineering. Right now, there's generative AI and prompt engineering sessions going on, which is being conducted by our CEO, Mr. Bani Kumar. And you can actually, it's actually from 7 p.m. to 9 p.m. We can actually come here and actually go through those videos. All the videos are actually available here. Now, once this part is done, you can see there are a lot of data so analytics videos. You can actually use all these videos too. Now, let's go back and discuss about this. Now, what is this internship all about? Let me discuss about this again. This internship is again a free internship by 360DigiTMG. Just to make a revision, this is divided into two phases, that is learning phase and the project phase. Learning phase, you'll have 3 videos daily. You'll see 3 videos daily in your learning management system: Python, SQL, and data preliminaries. How to get access to learning management system. You are already a part of community, and you will be getting a Google form there. Fill that Google form, and our LMS team will contact you. Once that is done, again, make sure by Sunday evening 5 p.m. you get it done, right? And you'll get LinkedIn questions. You need to go there and solve those questions, answer those questions, those subjective questions. We have project phase, for example, where we shall assign an expert data scientist who has rich experience of working on real world projects, and they will guide you throughout the project. There will be daily stand-up meetings for 15 minutes, Monday to Friday, to discuss what is done and what must be done for the next day, and you discuss challenges that you have, and we shall discuss this when we reach this phase. Now, upon completing the project successfully, you will be awarded an internship project completion certificate from 360DigiTMG. And this is a free program, and certificate is also free. We do not charge anything before, during, or after the internship. So this program will start from Monday, that is this 23rd, 12, 2024. Right? Make sure that we are actually enrolling for this particular program and actually solving all those questions, completing this project end to end, and you'll really, really love this project. So this is it from our side, team, and thank you so much for your time, and we'll meet again next Friday. So what are you enrolling for? What are you waiting for, team? Please keep enrolling, and yes, start the project. We promised you that you will be part of immense learning. You'll actually get access to quality projects, real life projects, and something that will make you better every single day. So yes, thank you so much for your time, team.